guys can see from the title, today we are doing a Partners in Cream Project Pan update, you guys. Woo! You guys, we only have one more update and then the finale. And I am breaking everyone's hearts. I'm telling you guys right now, this will be my last year doing this Project Pan. I had given you guys hints about it and I thought about it this month. And this Project Pan did what it did. It did what it was supposed to do for me and my makeup collection. And that is to bring down my numbers when it comes to cream and liquid products. I'm very proud of myself for that. Any liquid or cream products that I do own in my collection as we speak, I can put another Project Pan. So I don't find it necessary to continue this Project Pan solely for just cream and liquids because I don't need it to remind me how long things take. I've been doing this since the inception of this Project Pan, which is about 3 years. So I am very happy and content of where my collection is as far as my liquid and cream. So you guys, I'm soaking every update and the last finale because I'm going to now sit back and enjoy everyone else's updates and intros and finales of this Project Pan going forward because I will not be joining it next year. I have decided that I am good, I'm set, and I appreciate Steph and Dylan for creating this Project Pan to allow me and everyone else to hone down on these products that go bad quicker. So you are here for this update. Anything you need to know for this Project Pan will be down in the description box. So if you want to join next year, you have everything you need to know down in the description box. So before we get into this update, if you're new, Alejandra, I am my Alex, shadow enthusiast with a dash Project Pan. That is something you want to continue to see on your feed. Subscribe and join us. And now let's get on with this update. Okay, you guys, so just a spoiler alert, I do not have anything that's going to get rolled out this month. This is the first time since I've started this Project Pan, I believe, that I don't have anything that's rolling out. That gives you an indication of how long these products are going to take me and how much products I have left that don't necessarily need to be used up because I can genuinely use them up on their own. So first product is this one, the Natasha Denona Love Glow Cheek Palette. My goal is to pan on the cream base, the glow cream base. We are not there yet. You can see there's a little slight dip going on in here. I do not need a lot of this product. Obviously, I'm showing you a picture of last month and hopefully you'll be able to see some sort of change. I am wearing this today. It gives I'm going to give you a swatch of it because I find this fascinating. This is what it looks like. And when I put it on, it is very sheer. So you can't really see it when you put it on. So what I do is I dab it on my cheek and leave it alone in order to give me some sort of glow. And it does give me some sort of glow throughout the day. I do top it on with a highlighter. It is pretty. It's more of a natural glow because it's more of a pinky or red base when you put it on. And it's a very lip glossy kind of feel to it. It's not as thick as the last two that I used. It's very different. But I'm here. I'm here to see how long this takes. I think I have worn makeup 22 times in the last month. So this got used about 22 times. And there is no pan yet. I don't know if I'll hit pan by the end of this year. I am doubtful. I'm really doubtful, but it's here till the end. So we'll see how long it takes. If I at least you do makeup for 20 times a month, and I have this month, October, November, and whatever left of December. So I got another 40 some uses left out of it to see if I could hit pan. One took me almost 100 uses. The other one took me 60 some uses. So we'll see. We will see. Next up is the Bare Minerals concealer that I rolled in last month. This weighed 17.04 grams. Currently, it is weighing 15.71 grams. I have taken out the stopper. I do not mind taking out the stopper out of concealers. This is what it's looking like. There's still a ton on the wand. There's still a ton in here, and I do not use a ton on my eyes. So this is most likely going to stay until the end of the year, and I'm okay with it. I'm wearing it today. It is a beautiful, beautiful concealer. I would repurchase it. I've already went to the store and looked at the shade that should be the one that I should. This is a light version, and this is still my skin tone, so I want something a little bit lighter. So I will eventually repurchase once I am done with that one, but it'll be here for a minute. maybe November's update, I might end up finishing that up. But for as of right now, it's still hanging on. Then we have MAC Oak Lip Liner. So I'm going to show you a picture of where I was and where we stand now. This is how much we have left. I wear this every single time I do a lip product on my lips, besides lip gloss and lip balm. But this is what I'm wearing today on my lips with a lipstick on top of it. It is growing on me. I was not a fan of this color in the beginning. I was just like, oh, this looks like I'm dead or something. But I actually like it because it does camouflage with any lip product, and it does help to define my lips after I put on a lip product. So it's steady and slow. My goal is to finish this off. I don't know, you guys. This I've been using on and off since the beginning of this year, and it's taking me a hot minute. MAC lip liners last a long time, so it is, for me, worth the money because you guys know I fly through lip liners. So I've learned which products, which lip liners are worth it for me because I go through them like crazy. If you barely use any lip liners, stay away from MAC lip liners because they last forever. But for me, that's worth the money to me. Then we rolled in last month this Lorac Eye Primer. So here's where we were last month, and currently we are right there. So we went down about an inch or so. This might be done before the end of the year. I use this every day. I'm wearing it today on my eyes. It is the primer that I'm using all the time. I think I have one more eye primer left of Lorac. I had a ton of them in the beginning of this year. I have gifted some away to some that did not have any eye primers, or any time that I gave a makeup set or something, like if somebody came to my house and they got a box full of makeup, they would always get an eye primer, because 9 times out of 10, if you don't know much about makeup, you don't have an eye primer. That was me too. So I always give one of these away. So I think I only have one left of these. So we will get there. I'm getting closer to buying finally my Milani one that I've wanted to buy for years. I used it up and I told myself not allowed to buy it until you're down to like one left. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. So this is still in here, but I think I should be done that next month. Up next is my Mally Shadow Stick in Topaz. My goal is to finish this off, and I'm doing terrible. Last month, it was at 9.37 grams. Currently, it is at 9.33 grams. I didn't do so well. I used this only about 3 to 4 times, you guys. Because I purchased a new palette this month, I wanted to review it and test it out, so that took away from this. And I was really concentrating on catching up. Since July, I didn't do so well. So August, I was playing catch up with September stuff. I'm just taking it easy. If I finish this, fine. If I don't, it'll just get rolled in next year. I still love this eyeshadow stick. So there's certain events that I need to do my makeup quick, and this is going to come in handy. So we still have this in here. I didn't use much of it, but I did use something. Last but not least was this. I rolled in a fresh Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. It was brand new when I brought it in, and I'll show you a picture of where I was. This is where we are currently. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I did take a photo, so I'll post the photo on here if it's the glare that you can't see, because it's a light pink, but you might not be able to see it. I have hit the bottom of it. This is beautiful. I love the fresh lip balm stuff. It really nourishes my lips. And now that the weather has changed, my lips get dry in the afternoon, in the evening, and I only put this on at night, overnight, and it makes my lips feel beautiful. Love this. And I don't mind sticking my finger in there if it's just going to sit in my nightstand. This should be done next month, but I am not done it, so it's still staying in here. All right, you guys. As you guys can see, I'm not rolling anything out or rolling anything in for the first time, I think, since I started this Project Pan. For next month, I think I will be done this lip balm, so I'll roll something in for that. This may be close to being done, if not done completely, so I'll have 2 done, and this is a hit or miss. I'm not sure. It depends on how much I can scrape out of it, but it might be done for next month. So possibly 2 to 3 rollouts next month, as the last update will be next month, and then in December will be the finale for this Project Pan. So we will see where we stand. I have a feeling these 3 are going to stay till the end, and I'm okay with that bit because I can still get away with using them till the end. It's not a big deal to me. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and for listening to me chit chat and blab on about what I think about this Project Pan for me in the future. I appreciate it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. More videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.